Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be reviewing another Ayurvedic recipe, which is onion oil. So if this piques your interest, please keep watching. Onion oil is a proven remedy to boost your hair growth and prevent hair fall. This is a widely used Ayurvedic solution to ensure healthy and thick hair. It's especially popular because of its homemade hair remedy that is cheap and effective. Using onion oil on a regular basis is proven to prevent and treat baldness. This is because onion oil is rich in sulfur, which prevents breakage, split ends, and thinning of your hair. It maintains the regular pH of the hair and prevents premature graying. Major benefit of onion oil is that it nourishes your scalp and improves the blood circulation. This ensures thicker and stronger hair. Regular use of onion oil in your crown area, aka your edges, promotes hair growth and new growth in that area, which also then prevents any bacterial infections or dandruff. To treat baldness in a certain area, you could actually use onion oil. All you would need are a few drops of the oil in your palm and massage it directly onto your scalp for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's important to let the oil sit in your hair for at least a few hours before you rinse it off and wash it out with the neutralizing shampoo. So guys, this is the quickest and our most effective way of making onion oil. The oil can be coated onto your hair to increase volume, shine, and prevent hair breakage. But our very best way of applying the oil to our hair is to massage it onto the scalp for about 10 to 15 minutes. This nourishes your hair follicles and stimulates hair growth. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please support this video by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.